What's going on, YouTube people? Welcome back to my channel. This is Carlos with another video. Today I'll be joined by my co-pilot, my girlfriend.
What? You're vlogging already?
Yeah, I'm vlogging already. I gotta do the introduction. Going to hit a trail near, kind of going up the Grapevine, near Fraser Park, Gorman area, if you're familiar with that. Probably do some camping, just depends on what exactly is up there, if we can find a good spot. So we'll probably do that. Definitely get pictures of the trails and videos of all that, and probably fly the drone. But before I forget to mention, guys, go ahead and like this video. And if you guys like this content, go ahead and shoot me a subscribe. I appreciate the support. But first stop, we're gonna head over to Winco to pick up some groceries. See you guys on the road. Getting shoes ready. What are those? I learned my lesson last time. You guys can see in the video that I wore white shoes to off-roading. They got muddy. Alright guys, so we made it to the trailhead. This is, I think it's called Los Alamos Trail. But yeah, we made it here. There is actually not really, I think we've only seen one person here. It's Wednesday. So it's Wednesday. But we made it here to the trailhead. Ruby's over there getting the drone set up. We had a little bit of issues with the drone earlier. It wasn't focusing right, so hopefully we could get that situated, because I really do want to get some drone shots, especially in this valley, because there's a lot of area around this valley that would be really nice, especially coming up that little spot right there, right on the mountainside. That would have been cool. But we're about to get going right now. We're just getting the drone set up again. Yeah. We actually kind of took a little bit of a detour to check out one of the campsites that they have here, just to scope it out while it's still daytime, so we at least have an understanding of where we're going to be at once we go camping tonight, because it's already about to be 6 o'clock at night, so it's probably going to be dark by the time we actually even come down. We've only done, I want to say, 3/4 of a mile so far of the trail, and we still got a lot to go, so off to the races. feeling over there?
We're almost at the top, the peak.
I kind of doubt we're near the peak right now. We're definitely not at the peak.
We're not?
Yeah. So we're gonna find a spot to turn around here, as I mentioned earlier. I don't want to be back, or I don't want to get back after the sun goes down. As much as I would love to drive in the dark around here, one, I've never really been up here, and two, we're hungry. So I want to get some food, eat, chill, get the tent set up. Be back in a second. Oh, that would be
wow,
dope.
There's the campfire right there, yeah.
It says it goes up a little bit more and there's more up here. And then the beautiful thing is I could come on here, mark it, the campsite for future references. But on we go, up there. Break.
Your last two brain cells are gonna break.
They really were. Ooh.
Is this the same one?
It's different.
Okay. I don't know. Being in the woods reminds me of the Blair Witch Project. Oh, look, they even have a pan. They left a pan there. Do you have alcohol?
I do. Let's get out.
Yes, sir.
All right, so we finally made it to what we think is gonna be our camp spot. I don't know, cause we kind of passed one earlier, so we basically had to go down this right here. But if we go back up and then down, there's another spot over there that I kind of like better, but this isn't too bad. So far, this is what we got. Also, so we actually didn't make it through the food trail today. It was kind of getting dark and we were getting a little bit hungry and kind of impatient. So I figured that we find a spot to get ourselves set up and get dinner rolling. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Dinner for tonight is what? Some hot links. I don't know. You gonna drink a beer with me or what?
Yeah.
She's the one who convinced me to buy Modelo's, even though I'm a Modelo drinker, but you know, I wanted whiskey today.
You're not a Modelo?
No, I said even though I am a Modelo drinker, but I'm a whiskey. I wanted to come out here and get some whiskey, but she said, I will drink Modelo's with you. And I was like, say less. We'll open up the chips, yeah?
Yeah. I'm just afraid we're gonna find a bear eating our stuff.
So I kind of messed up coming out here. So I thought once we pulled up, like I said, I've never been here before, so I didn't really know what to expect. I thought we were gonna pull up and maybe there was gonna be a park ranger at the gate, you know, taking tickets or whatever, but that was not the case. We pulled up and you kind of pull up to a barcode or a QR code, and basically you buy your ticket and you come in, right? That was not on the website. It is what it is. So I kind of thought, you know, I'm not gonna get firewood yet because I still don't know if it's a burn ban as far as campfires go, but yeah, so that's why we don't have a campfire today, which I'm pretty sure we probably still wouldn't have been able to. Next time I will get more of an idea of that. That way we're not just out here in the dark with the bears.
What did he say?
Yeah, I'll take one. She asked me if I wanted another Modelo. Come on now.
Next time you should come with me.
Wardrobe change. It's getting cold up here. I don't have service, but it says around 62 degrees. I'll say around 58 maybe, so it's not that cold. Ooh, almost done, baby. Oh yeah. All right. I should get like string lights. Well, hello there. All right, so dinner's done. As you guys can see, we got in the tent. We're really tired. It was a long day, honestly. But we're about to watch a movie on the iPad. We got some movies downloaded because we don't have service right now. And enjoy the rest of the night and go to sleep. See you guys in the morning. All right, peace. All right. Good morning. We made it through the night. Slept all right. There was a little bit of wind. Other than that, I mean, we slept pretty good. And we forgot our pillows again. For some reason, we always forget our pillows. But all in all, it was a good night. We're gonna skip out on breakfast because we actually had to head out early today. But yeah, so right now we're just gonna pack everything up, clean up camp, and then start pushing out. Alright guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We had a lot of fun. Definitely going to come back up here and hopefully bring some friends to go camping up here because there's a lot of nice spots. But if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button. And go ahead and shoot down in the comment section where I should head out next or what places you guys would like to see me traveling. Or if you guys have any suggestions as far as how to make these videos better for you guys. But other than that, Appreciate you guys sticking around for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next trail.